Campus 10 house went through lots of drama in the previous episodes, with Bani becoming the captain and Naveen getting evicted from the show. Last night's episode was no less entertaining. Swami Om begins his round of clarification with the housemates for whatever he said in the secret room. The video of with Salman showed on Sunday's episode. While Manu, Mona try to keep a distance from him, Swami tries to manipulate Lopamudra and Manveer to save himself from nominations. He further adds that he was just playing a game and had no intentions of hurting anyone. Big Boss asks the contestants to nominate 4 contestants for the week. Bani, being the captain, was not allowed to be a part of this process. Nitiba used her immunity medallion this week too. While Swami, who made a comeback to the house after being in the secret room last week, was also announced safe this week. After many debates and arguments, the contestants reached to an agreement and announced the names of the nominated contestants. Finally, after a hell lot of discussions, Karan, Rahul, Lokesh and Mona Lisa were nominated for evictions this week. Swami first refused to nominate anyone but later nominates a contestant. His decision sparks a fight with Manu after Swami declares that Manu was trying to save his premika Mona during nominations. Furious by hearing Swami's comments, Manu firmly warns him to watch his words, while Mona ends up abusing him and calling him Bunda. Later in the afternoon, Bani and Lopa get into an argument as Bani finds it funny that Lopa was supporting Manu and Manveer in the elections, but during the nominations nominated them. To which Lopa tells her that she can do anything she wants and nobody can tell her what to do. As the day proceeds, the housemates take the household chores, but some of them were not happy with the division of work. While Bani tries her best to sort out the responsibilities, she gets into a series of arguments with the housemates over it. Mona Lisa is not happy with Bani's captaincy and says that everyone is sitting while she is working. When Rohan complains that the sofa is not clean, Mona asks Bani that is he the vice captain now? After Bani tells everyone to do their respective job, Bani and Gaurav discuss that the biggest challenge at this point is to create differences between Manu and Manveer, agreeing to the fact that they are both strong contenders. Just when Bani got back to the captain's role, Lopa reminded her that she is her sevika for the next 24 hours and demanded for a back massage from her. Tonight's episode will be really entertaining as Big Boss will announce the luxury budget task and the house will turn into a drought affected village. For more information and updates, subscribe to Teletalk India.